Here's a quick tutorial on how to perform the plank to pike with a stability ball. Start with your wrists underneath your shoulders and your legs and feet on the ball in plank position. From there, you are going to lock your abs tight, raising your bum up into the air, keeping your legs as straight as possible. Notice that I'm going up on my tippy toes when I'm up in the top of the pike, and then the front of my foot is coming back down to touch the ball at the bottom. Make sure you are lowering your body down controlled and not letting your hips drop too far, keeping your abs engaged to stop your body when you reach that plank position again, and then restart the exercise. Hey guys, I hope this video was helpful. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified because I'm releasing new videos every Tuesday, just like this one, full workouts or just individual exercise explanations to really help you on your fitness and fat loss journey. If this video was helpful, make sure you give it a like and leave me a comment. Let me know, was it helpful? What other exercises you're interested in learning the proper form for? I am here to help you guys. And again, make sure you check out my channel for a bunch of other exercise descriptions, full workouts, fat loss tips, recipes, all kinds of things to help you on your journey.